America, how y'all doing? Alright, you got the Durbin family and we're going to go to the range today. We went out on a little date, went to breakfast, had a nice breakfast, and now we're going to go to the range and do some shooting. What do you say, Mrs. Durbin?
It's going to be fun.
This is what we're dealing with today. We got the CMP 1911 A1 and 45 ACP. We've got the Beretta 92. That's a Beretta 92 A1. We've got a Sig M17 military issue Sig, and we've got a Smith Wesson M&P. This is a core. It's 9mm. What do you want to shoot at? Let's start off at like 5 yards. Oh, wrong way. That looks about right. Okay, let's take this other one out. Okay, you can. All right, let's say you dry fire a couple times. Make sure you're good to go. Good grip, front sight, front sight, front sight. All right. Good. I do it a couple more times.
You're so crazy.
Hey, you ready to go hot?
Yeah, ready.
Yeah, let's go. Let's make this thing hot.
Okay.
All right, about 5 yards. There you go. Good job. How many is that?
I think 5.
Okay, hey, what do you think of the Sig Sauer M17?
It's good.
Huh?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, well we'll shoot.
With that, all 5 shots?
Yeah, we'll shoot some more. All right, that's 5 shots. I think it's shooting pretty good. I've been shooting a 40 caliber for a long time, and it's very nice shooting a 9mm. I really like it. Even though I have a lot of 9mm here, I really like the 9mm. It shoots so much better. Let's go back to shooting. Yeah, just really shoots good. This one is the M&P core. All right, Mrs. Durbin's been shooting a long time, but right now we're going to shoot this Beretta M9. She's not real familiar with the Beretta. I'm going to go ahead and have you pick it up. All right, point it down range. Grab that. Go ahead and grab that mag with your left hand, and go ahead and insert it. All right, now pull back on it just like you do the other. Now this one has a safety. All right, so you'll come up here, and you can flip that safety forward with your thumb. Okay. All right. Now this first trigger pull on this is going to be very long. So just take your time and put it on the X, because the second trigger pull is going to be very light. Okay. Long trigger pull right here. So let it come forward just a hair and let it reset, and then that. There you go. See that?
Yeah.
They're all going to be like that now.
Okay.
Do one more. Come off the trigger. Put the safety on. Okay. All right. I really like the Beretta. I just like it because it's a steel frame pistol. The first shot is always a challenge. So you've got to train yourself that the first shot's that very long trigger pull. After that, you've got single action. They're very accurate pistols too. All right, it's my turn. I'm going to shoot the Beretta M9. Same range, 9, 10 shots, something like that. All right, so here we go. what do we got here? We got the Sig up top. And then we've got the Beretta down below.
I shoot for like
2 or 3 times a year?
yeah, maybe twice a year for an hour
Yeah.
on an outing, and so I feel like those are great groups for somebody who never shoots.
Yeah, I think so.
So anyway, it's fun.
She's a natural. All right, we're shooting the Colt 1911 A1, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, Gulf War. Well, a little bit of action in the Gulf War.
Have you shot this one?
Yeah, shoot this. This is nice. Shoots good. This one is a lot different than the one you just shot. Okay, so this one, you need a. It's going to have a safety. All right, you're going to have to get high up on the pistol, just like you do with everything. Okay. The safety's right there. So you're going to push down with your thumb. So push down with your thumb. Now, once the hammer is cocked, so this is single action. Every shot with this is like the shot with the Beretta, the second shot. Okay, the first shot took a long time. Every shot with this one is going to be that light trigger pull. So you're going to have a little play in the trigger. You feel that?
I don't feel it, but I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it. I feel it. Okay, then it's going to go off. You're going to have a little bit of trigger reset. Very light trigger. Let's practice.
I'm not gonna like it.
Okay.
Yeah, you know why I'm not gonna like
Oh.
it?
No sights.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't see.
Well, just point the front sight about where you think it is over there, and we're going to be fine.
Dang, dude, can't see nothing. No, this is not gonna work for me.
Okay. Now, how was that?
It's great.
Okay, here you go.
What is this? What is this thing?
That's a safety. That's a grip safety. So the firearm won't fire unless your grip is in the proper position.
Okay.
Okay?
You know, I'm gonna be better to shoot in the middle of the white circle, so I can at least see the front sight than I would be.
You
in
know
the
what?
black.
If you think so, then let's do that. That's fine.
That way I can
Give
see
me
this
one
front
more good
dot.
dry trigger pull, and then let's. Okay.
I mean, I can
nice.
at least see the front, teeny tiny front sight that way.
Go ahead and put the mag in. Okay. Point it down range. Hit that. There you go. All right, the safety's off. Okay. So just point it down there, and let's go ahead and make some good shots. There's no recoil either. It's gonna be fine. Mag out. All the lot. Tell me
Okay.
about the 1911.
Hate it.
What? That's a classic.
That's a turd.
Okay, so you didn't like it?
It's too heavy.
It's
and
too
I can't
heavy.
see the front sight.
Okay. Yeah.
Not my favorite.
Well, that's some of the upgrades they did over the years on the more commercial 1911s. They definitely upgraded the sights. The heaviness factor, the heavy factor, that's going to always be there, but that helps usually with accuracy and stuff. You shot it really well. Stack them in that X-ring. Look at that. Face it down and just leave it open. So what'd you think of the M&P?
I like it.
You like it? Do you like it better than everything you've tried so far?
Yes.
Out here today?
Yes.
Okay. Why?
It's light. The grip is great for my smaller hand. It's not heavy. and I know what to expect because it is super similar to the Glock that I like.
Okay, and one thing about the M&P is you can put different back straps on here to make it fit your hand better. So if you have a large hand, you can put a large back strap. If you have a small hand, you can put the small one or a medium one, or you could even take the whole thing off and use it with no grip at all on the back side for the ultra small hands. So yeah, it's very user friendly. All right, so we're gonna have a little free time here. What do you choose?
I'll choose the M&P.
The M&P. All right, you heard it here. She's choosing the M&P. All right, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna call a number, and I'm gonna say white 3, black 3, white 4, black 4, white 5, black 5.
Oh.
Okay? And then you're gonna have to make the shot. And I want you, every time I call a number with a corresponding color, you're gonna fire 2 rounds into that spot.
Oh my gosh.
Okay? You can do this. All right? And I'm gonna go slow. Go ahead and make the pistol hot.
Let us pray.
All right, you ready?
Oh, mercy.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Black 5. All right, white 3. Black 4.
All this time, never needed to shout it. All this
White
time,
4.
never needed to shine. All this time, couldn't live without it. All this time,
Black 3.
all this time, hear the calling moment.
Black 5.
Your eyes coming name. She'll probably have a question.
White 5.
I'm most likely ask the same. If one sees or finds a name.
All right, I've got a half a VTAC target up there. Mrs. Durbin's going to call out some different options, and I'm going to have to shoot them. So you're saying that you're going to call out a combination, and I'm going to put 1 round in each. Is that what you're going to do for me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to use the M&P, and we're hot. So you call it, and I'm going to shoot.
All right. Black, white, black. 2, 4, 1.
And most likely ask
White, white, black. 1, 4, 2.
You're making it hard on my thinking skills.
I know. All right. All black. 2, 1, 4.
oh, if I could make the best of, or if I
White,
take
4, 2,
the
1.
rest, oh, if I make the best of,
White, black, white. 2, 4,
take my
2.
time, hear the call in the moment.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Ask her
Okay.
name.
All right. White, black, black.
She'll probably have
1,
a
2,
question.
1.
I'm most likely ask the same.
Thank God, because I forgot that last one.
Oh, good job.
All right, that was good.
That was the advanced accelerated version for
Man,
professional shooters.
yeah,
Just loving
that was stout.
It's good. You had to actually remember.
time.
Good.
Just
Now I
loving
know you can.
loving
All right.
you, I'll take
Okay.
my time.
Just a quick hour, maybe hour and a half. We went to the range. We got some stuff done. We know for a fact that Mrs. Durbin does like an M&P or a Glock, even though she didn't bring a Glock. And we got to shoot some of these fine firearms. All right, come on over here. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, thumbs up for Jesus. Had a good time. You have a good time?
Good.
All right.
My